So the idea here is if I simply had a single page or a single video or a single anything, and I had a slide on my slideshow, or I had a thumbnail on my video, or I had a picture on my blog post or anything, I would simply copy the blog post, make one for men, then copy it. So first one I'm gonna make about men, then copy it, and I'm gonna swap this image out right here. I'm gonna swap it out for this one, and then I'm gonna make it about women. And that subtlety, whether it's a landing page, maybe it's just a background behind a landing page, the subtle difference is going to make a significant conversion rate. The font choice, the colors, the imagery, and then the language, the copywriting, how you're targeting that market. So the idea is just with a simple difference between men and women alone, you can already start to find things that are going to be more appealing. Because if you're a woman and you're on a page that's talking about becoming more successful or a business opportunity or something like that, and it looks like this is a company made by women for women that's going to help support women in your home, you're going to be more likely to get involved. Bottom line, the culture of a company is important.